Today we're going to talk about sound waves in music and the sound properties and their perceptions. After watching this video, students will know pitch and frequency, the speed of sound, and the human ear. The first topic will be pitch and frequency.
A sound wave, like most waves, is introduced into a medium by a vibrating object. The vibrating object is the disturbance that moves through the medium. The particles of the medium through which the sound moves is vibrating back and forth motion at a given frequency. Frequency of a wave refers to how often the particles of the medium vibrate when a wave passes through. The frequency of a wave is measured as the number of complete back and forth vibrations of a particle of the medium per unit of time. A commonly used unit for frequency is hertz, where 1 hertz equals 1 vibration per second. As a sound wave passes through a medium, each particle vibrates at the same frequency. The human ear is capable of detecting sound waves with a wide range of frequencies. The sensation of a frequency is referred to as the pitch of sound. Because sound waves travel through air are longitudinal waves that produce high and low pressure disturbances of the particles of the air at a given frequency, the ear has an ability to detect such frequencies and associate them with the pitch of sound.
The speed of sound.
A sound wave is a pressure disturbance that travels through a medium by means of a particle-to-particle interaction. Since the speed of a wave is defined as the distance that a point on a wave, such as compression or rarefaction, travels per unit of time, it is often expressed in units of meters per second. The faster the sound wave travels, the more distance it will cover in the same period of time. The speed of any wave depends upon the properties of a medium through which the wave is traveling. Two types of properties that affect wave speed are inertial and elastic properties. Elastic properties are those properties related to the tendencies of a material to maintain its shape and not deform whenever a force or stress is applied to it. Inertial properties are properties related to the material tendency to be sluggish to changes in its state of motion. Sound waves travel faster in solids than they do liquids than they do in gases. A sound wave will travel faster in a less dense material.
The human ear.
The ear consists of 3 basic parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Each part of the ear serves a specific purpose in the task of detecting and interpreting sound. The outer ear serves to collect and channel sound to the middle ear. The middle ear serves to transform the energy of a sound wave into the internal vibrations of the bone structure of the middle ear and ultimately transform these vibrations into a compressional wave within the inner ear fluid, into nerve impulses that can be transmitted to the brain. The outer ear consists of an ear flap that provides protection for the middle ear in order to prevent damage to the eardrum. Because of the length of the ear canal, it is capable of amplifying sounds with frequencies of approximately 3,000 hertz. The middle ear is an ear-filled cavity that consists of an eardrum and 3 tiny interconnected bones: the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. The eardrum is a very durable and tightly stretched membrane that vibrates as the incoming pressure waves reach it. Being connected to the hammer, the movements of the eardrum will set the hammer, anvil, and stirrup into motion at the same frequencies of the sound wave. The 3 tiny bones of the middle ear act as levers to amplify the vibrations of the sound waves. Thank you for watching our video on sound waves in music. We hope to have given a clear understanding of the topic.